Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this look that I am rocking right now. It's a beautiful purple look. Well, it's beautiful in my opinion. I hope you guys think that it's beautiful as well. But yeah, I just wanted to create a purple look for you guys because you guys have enjoyed the green look that I did, even though I messed up on that tutorial. So you guys want to see more makeup videos, and I already put that in my goals for 2020 that I was going to do more makeup videos. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Okay divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this purple look. I was really inspired by my top. I know you guys can't see the whole thing, but I was inspired by my top to do this purple look, as well as I was going through my makeup drawers and I was like, I want to use a palette that I have not used in a long time that I really love. So I went to my drawer with my Anastasia palettes because they have their own freaking drawer. Like, that's how many I have. And I pulled this one out because I was like, this palette just, I love this palette and I don't use it nearly enough. So this is the one I chose to pull out, and I am so glad because I came up with this beautiful purple look. I hope that you guys really like this look. If you don't have this palette, you can definitely, there's purples in here that you can have in other palettes, most definitely. I'm just a huge fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so that's why I had to have like most of their palettes, okay, or if not all of them, okay. So if you guys have palettes that's similar, definitely don't feel like you have to get something, because sometimes I know I watch videos and I feel compelled to have that even though I have something else in my collection. But anyways, divas, thank you fabulous girls so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy it and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.